In today's video, I will walk you through how to highlight text in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, head over to the text section and drag a default text layer onto your timeline. This will be the main text your viewers will read during the video. Once the text appears, type in your message and adjust the duration so the text stays visible for the amount of time you need. Keeping the timing correct is important because the highlight effect should stay synced with the text for the animation to feel smooth and clean. Next, create another text layer that will act as the highlight background behind the words. Go into the basic text settings, and instead of entering normal text, type several dash symbols in a row. These dashes will form the highlight strip effect. After entering the dashes, lower the character spacing to -5 so the dashes move closer together and appear more like one continuous shape instead of separated lines. Now move over to the color settings and choose the color you want for the highlight effect. Once you pick the color, increase the font size until the dash layer becomes wider than the text itself. This helps create the appearance of a marker-style highlight behind your words. After that, scroll down and disable Uniform Scale. This allows you to adjust the width and height separately. Fine-tune the size until the highlight bar looks slightly larger than the text you want to emphasize. Once the sizing looks correct, drag your original text layer above the dash layer in the timeline so the words appear clearly on top of the highlight effect. This layering step is what creates the final highlighted text appearance on screen. Now select the dash layer again and head into the animation section. Browse through the animation options and choose Fade In. This adds a smooth reveal effect where the highlight appears naturally behind the text. You can also adjust the animation duration depending on the style you want. Slower animation speeds create a softer and more cinematic look, while faster settings make the effect feel more energetic and attention-grabbing. Finally, preview the animation to make sure the text and highlight line up correctly and the movement looks smooth throughout the clip. And that is how to highlight text in CapCut PC using layered text and animation tools to create cleaner and more engaging titles.